Here we are in the first build of our new freezer.
Yes, it's looking good.
Yeah, it should be finished in a couple of weeks' time, around the 15th, and this is where we'll be storing the Toray HX56 Prepreg tooling system. We are now official UK distributors of the HX56 material. It's low temperature cure tooling for generally the motorsport industry,
Yeah, it's
but
very popular, isn't it? Yeah,
very,
it's
very popular. Yeah, and good general purpose material as well. And we'll be supplying it with really no MOQs, no minimum order quantities. It will be available to suit the size of the mould that the customer's making. So
and in sheets instead of rolls as well, which is really important.
it will be in tiles, yeah.
Yes,
So
tiles, sorry, yeah.
it'll be easy to defrost. It won't take as long as whole rolls. We are taking away the wastage issue. So if you're making a 2 metre square mould, you can buy enough material to make just that mould.
Yeah.
So you're not left with the remainder of the rolls in your freezer because of MOQs, etc., that you need to use or charge a customer for. So yeah, it's a nice, neat way of supplying materials quickly into customers, and many of our customers make their own moulds.
So as you say, with tiles and them defrosting quicker, you get a lot of customers who will get a roll out on like a Thursday, Friday, do a couple of days of moulding, and then realise that they still need to finish on the weekend, but they won't put it back in the freezer because they don't want to have to stay all that time defrosting it again.
That's right.
So they'll leave it out, which obviously reduces the outlife. But with this, because you can get it in and reduce that defrost time, you could store it over the weekend, get it out on a Monday morning. By the Monday afternoon, you could then carry on building that tool, couldn't
Exactly, which is key, because a lot of the tooling systems, and the HX56 in particular, once it's supplied in tiles, you have about 50 hours outlife for making the moulds. So you can't leave it out for 48 hours over a weekend. You know, it does need to go back in a freezer. So when you come in Monday morning, you can take the material out. It will be defrosted much quicker, and continue with the job, just as you say. So yeah, we're very excited about that partnership. We talked earlier about collaborations and partnerships, and this is a key one for us. To be a distributor for Toray Advanced Composites and the worldwide Toray group as a whole.
Exactly, one of the biggest names in prepreg manufacturing, isn't it?
Exactly. And it's UK manufactured material, made only about 40 miles from here in Langley Mill. So supply is very easy for us. Holding stock is very easy.
It will be once we've finally got this place up and running.
As soon as the freezer is built,
we've disturbed, which is brilliant.
we'll be good to go. And as soon as we finish here, the guys will be back in here putting the door on or whatever comes next.
No, it's going to be good. And other partnerships like with AD Composites and other partnerships that we've got in the works, it's really a good time for VAC Innovation, and how we've come along after Kevin and Carl decided to retire and move away from the business, to actually add these new partnerships and push VAC Innovation to that sort of next level.
Exactly, it's a real nice addition. We'll be making more progress with our collaboration with AD Composites in the coming weeks and months, and that will add automated tape laying or automated fibre placement. 3D printing options to the portfolio, and really push us further towards being that one-stop shop where you can buy all the materials you need for conventional manufacture of composite parts in autoclaves and ovens and such like, but also we'll be able to support you in more automated processes for low rate production and mass production as products build. We all know that the composite industry is progressing very quickly with regard new processes
and automation,
more automation being used in more mainstream products these days because of lightweighting programs on electric vehicles, drones,
and sustainability and wastage. If you use large format 3D printers printing moulds and stuff like that,
exactly,
reducing waste and that time having to machine back.
Yeah.
as a CNC machinist, roughing is a quarter of a job, half a job sometimes. So taking away all that roughing cycle and moving straight to a finishing cycle would be absolutely fun. It's going to be massive cost saving.
Exactly.
And time saving.
Yeah, and it gives us good opportunities in both worlds for the customer base, because often you'll want to make a back-end structure even for a 3D printed tool, and they may still do that with conventional pre-preg materials.
Yep.
So there's lots of options open to us now with these materials, and it's great to see this coming along, and we'll soon be ready for use.
Yeah, it's amazing when you talk about it and then actually starting to see it getting built is just
exactly, and hopefully
expanding and moving around.
In about 2 weeks it will be too cold for us to stand
too cold
here.
to stand here, yeah.